Welcome to the fascinating world of Kanchipuram weaving. Every thread here carries a story of tradition and skill. Craftsmen work with patience and care, weaving silk into stunning sarees. Each movement on the handloom adds life to the design. This is not just a sarees, it's a reflection of heritage and culture. The process takes days, sometimes weeks, to create one masterpiece. As the final threads come together, the sarees become a symbol of beauty and tradition. It's not just clothing, it's a timeless treasure meant to be admired for generations.